I not record those who want to record anyway. Now we go ahead. Then adult state puberty onwards, adult has matured sexual feeling. So most of the time they are dating each other and all. These are the things. You should not punish to your child for dating. It's one act. It should be continue to keep the better relationship. Give them understanding about what to do, what not to do, and about knowledge about HIV and other diseases. Okay, these are the stages we have seen. That is a research done by our great neurologist Sigmund Freud. Now here our third chapter is over. As the time permit, we go ahead. What's the time now? Is 21:50 means कितना हो गया 8:20 9:50. Okay, fine. If you are bored, just tell anyone, mute themselves, and we will stop here. We will go ahead. This much. If you are happy, this much. Then we will end here, and we will open the forum for discussion. Otherwise, we complete the sexual response cycle. Okay, we go ahead. Sexual response cycle. Nobody is because I don't ask. I'm not going to ask to raise hand. Nobody is raising hand. Whether they are there or not, I don't know. Nobody keep their video open, so I don't understand. Anyway, I'm doing my duty. I go ahead with the sexual response cycle. Before William Masters and Virginia E. Johnson, Master and Johnson, Master is a gents and Johnson is a female. Both are doing work. One is a gynecologist and one maybe neurologist or physician. And first published their book on human sexual response in April 1966. Prior to this textbook of physiology and dismissed the subject with the brief references saying that male involvement was restricted to erection and penetration and ejaculation and so. For the females are passive. They are no taking any act in the sexual point of view. But after that, Master and Johnson proved it both equally taking participation in sexual act. She is not passive partner. She is also active. They have done the research by keeping a camera inside the things vaginal, and they have seen the secretions and other things, what happens physiologically inside or during sexual act. That is 382 females and 312 males are participated during the research lab of these two doctors, William Masters and Johnson's, Virginia E. Johnson. Now, this much clear that male are active, that is wrong. Male and female equally active, male and female equally desire. Don't consider male are more desire, female is less, nothing like that. Male and female both need, but their presentation maybe varies because the female nature is caring, they like more caring, and male nature is more dashing and all. That heart, that should be taken care. That part we will take during our counseling session. Okay, fine. We go ahead here. I am not taking your much time, but you should know the stage wise. We will make it a very simpler way. I don't want to take your most time here. Before that, these are stages. I will explain you in short what stages they say sex cycle according to Master and Johnson. Excitement phase, first excitement. Before that, we consider desire, and the desire, we like something, and you go look wise and everything. That's why more makeup and everything is done by female to so attract the male particularly, and this will help to attraction. That this is desire leading to what? Arousal. That is desire. Then in a male is a erection and female is ejaculation. Male goes orgasm faster, female need time, and these are the things stages wise. They have made excitement phase, plateau phase, resolution phase, and so on. Resolution means some infractory time between two phases to reach the orgasm. In male, once resolution, they need some times, 2 hours, 3 hours, even 24 hours, even one day, or delayed like that. In female, the clitoris is outside, so they go on orgasm after orgasm. Stimulation, they enjoyed the each and orgasm, multiple orgasm. Male is not like that. Male once ejaculated, it stop and it's tired and just stop it. And this is the way what the sex cycle is represented by Master and Johnson's research work. I make it very simpler way and simple to understanding. Now we take fifth chapter of the first module is the neural mechanism of sex, sympathetic nervous system, and that is basic. What I told you, same thing in acupuncture. They have said lower lumbar and sacral regions should be stimulated. Same thing, sympathetic and parasympathetic. These things based on this dorsal lumbar, and then this is the pudendal nerves, S2 nerve, and these things here. All this mentioned here just to find out, and you stimulate by this type of gadgets is available. Nerve meridian stimulators, helping lot for ED and P patients, but they have to do daily application for minimum 20 to 30 minutes, minimum 25 to 30 days regular basis. They have to buy the unit and patient should do at home. And it's a not so instant result like a shockwave, but it has the results in long duration. Orgasm, okay, fine. Sex cycle, resolution phase we have completed, and psychology of sexual response we have. Some are certain things is also in this. One of the qualities of human being is its capacity to be modified by its experiences. Process is known as learning and conditioning. Most of the aspect of human sexual behavior appears to be the product of learning and conditioning. An individual may prefer particular type of individual as a sexual partner. Some like tall, some like short, some like younger, some like older. That is the choice of the partner. Variety of partners, some like variety of partners, heterosexuals, some homosexual, petting or immediate, quite as a single variation of position. Some this. Flagellation is the one. Masochism is transvestism and variety of fetishes. Appears to be the product of conditioning fortified by some other aspect of personality and the inherent capacity. These are the mind develop of the patients. Some like tall, some like young, some like even feature wise patient comes. I like elongated nose. I like big eyes. I like big hair. Like that. This is the way that the choice is changed person to person, and they have helping them their selection of the partner. Now, my dear friend, we go ahead. This is the psychological response, sex cycle response. I'm not taking your much time, but we go ahead. The basic things I'm teaching. I'm taking today's class, so that I will end the module number 1. Human sexual response. Here see, human sexual response is male and female. Female get the orgasm after orgasm because clitoris is outside. And the excitement phase, plateau phase, orgasmic phase, and resolution phase. In female, resolution time is not there. There is no time. They have ready every time like that. But male need the time for resolution. After some say after half hour, some say after 15 minutes, some say after 1 hour, like that. 12 hours, 6 hours. That depends from person to person mentality, Now, my dear friend, here I will complete